Good morning, everybody. This is Brandon Basic here with Wealth Builders Avenue. It is June the 29th, 2013. We're at a new property. We're closing on this property on July 5th, which is next Friday. And so wanted to kind of give you a good standard walkthrough of what the property looks like before we purchase it. I'm going to kind of do some just kind of general walkthrough with you and kind of share with you some ideas that we currently have on the property. So this property right here we actually picked up for actually a very reasonable price. The foundation was just completely redone on it with a lifetime transferable warranty that will go to us and then go to our new end buyer, which will be our investor. Property's on a fantastic street. We're over here in the Dallas, Texas area, not far from White Rock Lake. It's a nice little cul-de-sac area, so just kind of want to give you an idea of the neighborhood. So it's a nice cul-de-sac. House was built, I think, in the late 50s. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So again, the point of these videos is to kind of let you know that we're constantly purchasing properties. We have a rehab crew that which I'm in charge of. We're constantly rehabbing properties, and the goal of every rehab is to create as much value as possible. When you're flipping a house and then you're getting it ready in a rental ready condition, we like to call it a tenant dream condition, because a rental ready condition, there's not very many wow factors. We like to give it a tenant dream type of a renovation, so we kind of give it some updates. So the family has not moved out of the property yet. It's a little bit darker in here right now, but it's like stepping back into the 1960s, 1970s. House has really good bones. It's a really nice family. Someone in the family had needed to move, so we purchased the property. And so here's the living room. It's only about 1,300 square feet, so it's nice, but it's really kind of blocked off. So we're really going to try to open this up as much as possible. That wall is going to come down. Of course, the entire floor is going to come out. As you can see, the floors are a little bit dated. And here's the kitchen area slash dining room. And we're going to really open this up and just make it feel really homey. We're going to kind of lighten the colors. We're going to do probably a dark stain on the cabinets. Just make everything look a little bit bigger. These obviously the older appliances. Let's see if I can turn on a light. So sorry about that. It's kind of dark in here. Let's see if I can turn on this light. Nope. Well, the kitchen's kind of really dark. Just very obviously very dated. So we're definitely gonna fix that. One thing that's interesting about the property, here we go, I got the lights on in here, is we're gonna put a door right here. The garage is right behind it, and right now to get out of the garage, you have to actually go outside and then back in. So we're gonna put a garage right there, a door right there in front of you that's gonna lead to the garage, so that way the tenant can kind of get in and out very, very easily. These kind of changes that we're gonna do, they're there to maximize the amount of dollars that you can get per rent, which increases your cash flow and increases your ROI. And again, the type of renovations that we do, they're done to keep your costs down as much as possible over time. We really try to be very thorough and look for the things that some other people might not even think to look at. A lot of times we like to actually go in and have someone camera the pipes and see what the pipes look like below the house, make sure they're cleaned out. I mean, you can still have problems over the years, but it's just kind of one of the things that we like to do. So obviously a very dated bathroom. This is going to be completely gutted, and we're going to do an awesome looking shower in here. So you're really going to be impressed with this, and the tenant's going to walk in here and go, this is incredible. You're saying that I can rent this place out for market rent and have these types of upgrades? They're going to love it. That's going to keep people in your property. That's going to keep them wanting to rent from you and keep paying you on a monthly basis. So this is just one of the bedrooms, kind of small, but again, this is very, very standard for this neighborhood. But when we do these kind of renovations, people love it because they're like, I want to live here. You know, because anywhere in the neighborhood, you're not going to find it. So here's the master. Kind of give you a walkthrough, and we're going into the master bathroom. We're gutting this too. I mean, everything's going to be a complete gut. And the bathroom, toilet looks pretty nice, so that might stay, but the bathroom's going to be completely gutted. We're going to kind of take up some of the headers up here and go all the way to the top, put a beautiful shower in there. Again, these types of things are going to give you the best rent over time. So obviously a very nice backyard as well. Nicely fenced, has a little pergola in the back. So just want to give you a walk through the house. It's going to look very similar, but it's just going to look more updated, and it's going to be an awesome property for you and your family for years. Again, I like to tell our investors, one of a perfect example is an investor that we're looking for, people that have kids. This is an excellent opportunity to buy a house like this. We're going to renovate it, we're going to manage it, we're going to do everything for you. And when your son or daughter turns 18 and needs to go to college, well, you could use the cash flow to pay for their college. You could sell the property. You could keep this property forever. And this property is going to give you incredible appreciation over time, and someone's going to be paying down all of your bills for you. This is an excellent investment. You probably would need about $20,000 to $25,000 to purchase this property here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And keep in mind, why do people come to Dallas? It's real simple. Jobs. Dallas-Fort Worth has jobs. Anytime there's jobs, people are going to be obviously looking to rent. They don't want to be living in apartments. So that's an alternative, but some people with families and dogs, they definitely want to have a home, and they want it to be in an awesome condition, and that's what we're going to give them. So I look forward to meeting the new investor on this property. I'll put a video together when we're done. I look forward to meeting you soon.